Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you are in the best of your health. Today I am going to make PDF using Adobe Scanner app and I am going to share it with you. Before viewing the video, please like, share and subscribe and click on all notifications under the bell icon after subscribing. So I am starting my video. First we have to go to Play Store. I am searching Adobe Scan Adobe SCAN. I have searched Adobe Scan. I am searching it. The app have came, so I am opening it. For here it is showing me open because I have already installed it. In your mobile, if you have not installed it, you have to first install it. Then you have to open it. I am opening it. See here it is looking for a document. So I am searching this document. Just hold steady. It's capturing. You don't have to click on the capture button. Just hold it steady. See, I've hold it. Now see the photo is not looking so good. So I'm again retaking it. Here is the option of retake and continue. To take the picture again, click on retake. So I'm taking the retake option. Now see the page have came. We can crop it anyways. Now see I am cropping it. I've cropped it and I'm continuing it to add more pages. So I am adding more pages. It's looking for document. The document account and I don't have to crop it because it's perfect. So I am giving you 3 pages here. You can take up to 100 pages, not only 100, more than 100, the pages you want. Now see I've took it and I'm continuing it. So I'm taking the 3 pages. I'm going to the gallery option, not gallery means the photos option, and I've took it. Here you can see there are some bad options, means some bad parts where there are the crosses. So I'm cleaning it. Here in the taskbar, here you can see reorder, crop, rotate. First I'm showing you how to rotate it. Here you can see rotate. I'm rotating it. Here you can change the color. I can take into original color. I can keep it in auto color. I can take it in grayscale. Taking in grayscale will make it look better as the writings will come in black color. So I am going to clean up option to erase it. Clean up option is just acting like eraser. Now you can see I am clean upping the cross parts. I am clean upping it. It just seems like a eraser. You have to just click on the places where you want to clean up. See here I have cleaned up this part. How can we undo it? Here's in the upwards, here is a button of redo and undo. So I am redo it. Sorry, not redo, I am undoing it. See, the page has come again. Now I am cleaning up the parts. You have to clean up very carefully. I have cleaned it up. Then I am clicking on tick button. This was my first page. Second page I have to rotate it as it came in landscape mode. I have rotated it. Now I am changing the color. I am taking it in grayscale so it look better. Now I am going to clean up. Oh, I think cleanup is not needed as there are no crossed part in this page, so I am ticking it. Now I am going to the third page. I am again rotating it as it was in landscape mode. I am changing the color in grayscale mode. I have changed the color in grayscale. Now I will clean up it, the crossed parts. I have cleaned up all the crossed parts in this page, so I am ticking it again. Now I am saving the PDF. To share this in WhatsApp, email, Google Classroom, Google Drive, etc., we have to click on share. Here are the options of more where you can copy to device, copy to Google Drive, rename, move, print, delete, etc. So I am not doing any of this. I am going to share. Here you can see share a link, email, share a copy. Only share a copy is available here. So I am sharing a copy here. Nearby share me, WhatsApp, Drive, PDF, Viewer, Save to Drive, Gmail, Convert to JPG, Convert to long image, and more. See, here are many apps. So I am sharing it to WhatsApp. Here you can see here are many contacts. I am sending it to this contact and I have sent it. Now see. The PDF has gone. So all of you, thank you for today. We have learned about how to make a PDF. So bye bye friends. See you later.